Hi guys. Today, I wanted to go over I just purchased the Fuel Keg refillable propane cylinder. Wanted to try and get her filled up and see how it works. Haven't used one of these before, but buying the little 1 pound cylinders is expensive and wasteful, and I found this and thought I'd give her a shot. So first thing we're going to do is get everything out, hook it up to the propane tank. We'll see how long it takes to fill it, and we'll weigh the keg both before and after, and see how much we actually get in there, if we get anywhere near a pound or not, and we will go from there. So let's get at it. So this is comes with a stand and the thing to hook to the tank to fill it. So these are available just about anywhere. All of our farm stores have them. Hardware stores. This one in particular came from Lowe's. You can get them at Amazon. I'll leave a link to an affiliate link down in the description for one from Amazon. It's a wee pocket knife that I got for Christmas a few years ago. They're available on Amazon as well. So if you're interested, I guess I could leave a link to that if I can find it. I don't know if they're still available. So here's your legs. They look like these. Get these little thumb screws that go the screw in. Those will attach to what's normally the top of the tank. These have to be filled from the tank has to be turned upside down so that you get the liquid from the tank and not just the gas. Because you want to fill your 1 pound cylinder with liquid propane instead of gas. This will screw onto the tank, the lever for starting and stopping the flow of propane into your small cylinder. So let's get the scale over here first real quick. So the empty cylinder weighs 1 pound, 12.9 ounces. So we'll call it 1 pound, 13 ounces. We'll check that again here once we get it full. So grab the cylinder. And we'll attach our feet. So put one right in the middle. And I'll put the other two out here. This tank actually has little indentions. A good place to index those. And the third leg. All right, I did not grab the cleanest tank. This is the only one I had that had anything in it. We're going to flip it over. Now this is going to have to hang off the bench, because the small tank's gonna hang down below the feet. Now, we'll take our cap off. And then this has a little notch that you have to index. Here, I'll loosen this up and flip it back over. You have to index with this pin here. That's a vent of some sort. I imagine that's what lets the liquid back out of the valve here, so you know when it's full. sure all your connections are tight. And then these have a little valve here with a little ring. This is what lets the air, obviously as you fill this up with liquid propane, it's got to force the air out somewhere. So you've got to open this to allow the air to escape. And then once it's full, there's a little, it's hard to see from that angle, but there's a little port over here. Once liquid propane starts spitting out of this, it's full. You shut your tank off, shut this off, take everything back apart. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a shot. Turn this tank on. I just opened this valve. So now I'm going to stand here and hold this. And a quick disclaimer, it does say to do this with gloves on and do it outside. I'm in a rather large shop. It's pretty well ventilated, and I don't know where my gloves are at the moment. So we're just going to give this a shot and see what happens. So I'm going to hold this down. You can hear it fill in the bottle. It's supposed to take it a minute. We'll see if it actually does. I can smell the propane. This pipe is getting extremely cold. If I can figure out how to put a little stopwatch down in the corner, I will, but I don't know if I'll be able to figure that out. Sounds like it might be getting close. There. Imagine you can see that. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this, twist this back, and then I'm going to go ahead and shut the tank off. Remove that. Tank is off. Just need to bleed what was left in the pipe and the valve. And we'll take this back off. Get our tank flipped back over. Take our feet back off. Maybe. Get this out of the way. Our protective cap back on. Just help keep us from damaging the threads, maybe. Let's see. And we were at what? 1 pound, 12.9 ounces before. We're at 2 pounds, 14 ounces now. So not quite a pound, but I'd say it's pretty good. So I use these a lot for lighting my charcoal grill. I've got a Visions green egg style grill, but use it for other things too. This torch has seen better days. I held it together with electrical tape. I can hear it, and it works. So sweet. I'm pretty impressed with that. As long as the seal stays good in the that's leaking. Just got done saying I was impressed. See, this will reset it. Yeah, that seems to take care of it. Don't hear it now. Well, this will be a lot more convenient. I don't have to run anywhere to get one of these anymore. This thing's about empty anyway. I'll just be able to refill this. I always have a 20-pound cylinder laying around. So that'll work. Again, 3 legs, the fill nozzle, fill valve, and the tank you have to buy separately. But this stuff comes together. The tank comes by itself. And that's pretty much it. Seems pretty simple. Like I said, we'll try it a few times and see if it holds up. Hopefully it does. So the reason for this is you can refill these. They make adapters. You can refill them. They don't have the air vent like this does in here, so you can't get as much in them for one. But the main reason is these are not DOT approved to be refilled and to travel with, whereas this is. These are approved there. I've watched some videos of them cutting them apart, and these are a lot heavier, a lot thicker steel than the disposable ones. So, but that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, comment. Please like, comment, share. Like always, it helps us all out. Trying to do a video every couple weeks, and would like to, as I've said in my other videos, see if I can't get monetized by the end of the year, start donating some of that to charity. So leave a comment with anything you'd like to know, or if you have any ideas or anything you'd like to see, or I'll do what I can. So thank you guys.